We got keys to our flat a little unexpectedly and unprepared in terms of renovation. So actually we have our own friends who were interior designers as well. And then the period was Lunar New Year. All of them couldn't commit to finish by then. And then also through an online contact, I think we met Goodman Interior. So for us, 3 reasons why we chose to work with Goodman. Because I think the first, importantly, is that the designers at Goodman are very good listeners. When we had discussions with them, they always listen intently to both our needs and wants, right? And they also provided the appropriate advice accordingly. It helped both Siting and myself a lot in making decisions.
Laura and her team will inform and discuss with us the challenges faced during the whole process.
So Goodman Interior is flexible as they are also able to work with many other contractors and suppliers. Right, so for those who are looking to renovate or already have a team in mind, right, and if you like what you see in this video, then I highly recommend that you get in touch with Goodman Interior.